Hey friends, so you want to buy a house. Well, where do you start? Unless you're paying with cash, a mortgage pre-approval is the best place to start. Well, what in the world is that? Well, a mortgage pre-approval is when a lender says they're willing to allow you to borrow a certain amount of money to purchase a home. This document tells you that you're allowed to purchase and move forward with the home buying process so long as you meet their certain criteria and so long as your income doesn't change drastically within that period of time. So what is the pre-approval actually based on? Well, it's kind of like a financial profile of you. It is how much money you make, how much money do you have in the bank, what kind of investments do you have, and then also what kind of debt do you have. When you give this information to the lenders, they will pull something called a credit inquiry. This is called a hard credit inquiry, and what they're doing is they're trying to assess for themselves, are you a financial risk or not to their company? What kind of documentation will the lenders need? Well, generally, they're all going to have certain things, but there are some common things that they generally will ask for. They will ask for W-2 statements for the last 2 years. They will ask for pay stubs and tax records and bank statements. They'll need your driver's license and social security card and all those kinds of things. They take all of this information and they make an informed, good decision on about how much money you can actually afford to pay for a home. How long do these pre-approvals actually last? Generally, they're about 60 to 90 days, but again, that is going to be based on the protocols and the criteria for your lender. Why do you actually need a pre-approval? What does it matter? Well, first off, it helps you actually understand how much home you can actually purchase. The last thing any of us want to do is to go out, look at homes, you fall in love with something amazing, and then come back and the lender say you can't afford it. The next thing, it helps you in the eyes of the seller. It makes you look like a serious buyer. It shows that you are ready and willing to purchase their home. And lastly, it speeds up the home buying process. So think through, if we went out and we looked at a home and you found one and you loved it and then you had to wait on the pre-approval, that's going to slow down your offer time. And in some cases, in some markets, you may actually miss out on that home. Understanding the ins and outs of a mortgage pre-approval are crucial for prospective home buyers. At the Josh Vernon Group, our goal is to help you walk through every step of that process. So give us a call. This is Brandy Brown with the Josh Vernon Group at Alabama, and we will catch up soon.